Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're doing a design challenge. So we're going to be doing a logo in 5 minutes, and I'm here with Secretz.
Hello.
Yo, okay, right, so I've got the timer ready. What are you using? Paint P?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
okay.
prefer P, but
Okay, I don't know. I'm using paint.net, so yeah. Starting the timer now.
okay.
Right, good.
I need to find a good font.
Yeah. I still have
By the way,
all
I'm horrible at this. If you don't know.
I still have a lot of my like the stock images open from the last time. Right.
Oh
yeah. This video is going to be like so weird because I'm not talking at all.
yeah, I'm just trying to make this text look as cool as or that actually looks cool.
Yeah,
Okay.
I doubt mine will look very good because, you know, I'm just not good. Right.
Mine is definitely better. That's all I know.
Mine's probably not. What should the text say? Just name.
I want to make it like carved or something.
What we got left? We got like 3 minutes left, so we're okay. Yeah, I'm definitely doing a lot better this time. I need some like effects or something.
I'm trying to do this line. God, how do I?
Right, I'm like rushing so much here.
I know, I'm trying to like add stuff that's cool. Lightning, I love lightning,
Oh yeah, bruh, I haven't even got any lightning. I need lightning.
lightning, transparent, there we go.
Right, come on. Now, okay, now my internet's being rubbish. Right, come on. We got a minute left.
Oh God. Give me that one, that's cool.
Right, come on. Right, everyone's messaging me on Twitter. Wrong time.
No, it's not. Why is it not transparent when I load it into full?
A lot of them aren't. There's like one image I know of that's actually decent. It's got like lightning coming from each side.
Oh, I got it. I got one. Right.
You're probably using
now
like the same one as me. I need to do some colour corrections on this as well.
How do I?
Right, what we got? Oh, 10 seconds. Right, that's it. Time's up.
I'm trying to find out how to rotate this lighting.
Jesus. Right, yeah. Time's up now. I'm just gonna see what this would look like with color corrections, cause oh, that one looks sick. Yeah.
How do you like? What's the best way to put light in?
I don't know. I'm just like put over the top and blur it. Right, yeah. I'm just gonna like that.
Duplicate. Bring it over to. Right, I'm done.
Right, yeah, so
This looks way better.
mine's way better as well.
Let me save it. Especially for me having no clue what to do. I'm just gonna end my recording because it'll be focused on your phone.
Okay, what's mine up? I got, wow, right. I'll send you mine, Discord. I did pretty good actually.
You send yours first.
Yeah, I am. Alright, see you.
I'll send mine first.
I've sent mine.
Oh, oh my.
Is that good? I think it's pretty
Really?
good,
Really?
what?
Okay, this is mine.
What'd you...
It's decent for me.
Yeah, it's alright. Wait, what have you done to the text? It's got like a really weird... I don't know.
What do you mean?
I don't know, the text just looks weird.
I put a texture on it.
It looks like a game from like 1980s.
Yeah, I know.
Okay then. Well, I'm not sure who won here.
I mean, I'd say you did.
Yeah, sarcasm intensifies.
Download links in the
Yeah,
description.
I'll make those. Put them in the description. See ya. Is that it then? Do the outro? Yeah. Okay. Right. Bye guys. Make sure.
Yeah,
to...
I'll do that intro. I'll do that intro if you want.
Oh yeah. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, all that stuff. Turn on notifications, and yeah. Peace out.